You know what? I guarantee you said this your entire life. DVD, digital video disc. You've said it with your whole chest, your whole confidence. You never once doubted it. And I hate to be that guy at that party, but you were wrong. Not a little wrong, wrong in a way that's going to quietly bug you all day and maybe for the rest of your life. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Here's the deal. When DVDs got invented back in the mid-1990s, the 1900s, some of the folks behind it did toss around digital video disc. So you're not totally crazy. But the problem was the disc didn't just do video. It held software, music, photos, computer data, your cousin's 4-hour wedding footage that nobody asked for, but now you watch so nostalgically like, oh my God, we were so young back then. Anything digital you could throw at it. And the computer companies got nervous. They figured that if you slapped the word video on it, people will think, well, that's all it does. They'll never buy one for their PC. So they pushed for a very different V, not video, versatile. Digital versatile disc, because the whole selling point was that it did everything. And that was the point. The versatility is what made it totally fetch. One disc, one player, movies to backups to Dolby surround sound. But here's the kicker, and this is the part that I love. It never actually got settled. The companies that invented the single most successful gadget in electronics history got in a room, argued about the middle letter, and just never agreed. So an international standards group finally ruled on it. And the official answer, straight from the people who made the thing, is that DVD stands for nothing, just 3 letters. DVD, an abbreviation of absolutely 0 words. So which team were you inadvertently on, video or versatile? Because it turns out the correct answer was neither. And also, don't worry about it. They built a billion-dollar format and couldn't be bothered to finish naming it. And the next time some know-it-all corrects you with, well, actually, it's versatile, you get to smile and tell them, it's officially nothing at all. Peter Von Panda, out.